What's going on YouTube? Today I'm looking at my blower motor for my '06 Trailblazer. I'm hoping that it's just the resistor that's bad. First I'm going to test the blower motor. So you could drop this panel. It's just two 7mm bolts, one there, comes down. And then that's your blower motor. And we're going to remove that clip. And you can, for my glove box, it just pushes on these tabs and it comes down. Have better access. So the way I'm gonna test this is I have a little battery and a positive and negative wire, just some wires. Just gonna hook it up. If it turns on with straight power, then I know that the blower motor is good and I can just replace the resistor. So I'm gonna get this hooked up. Alright, so I just went ahead and took out the whole blower motor so you can clearly see what I'm doing. I got a wire hooked up to each end and I'm gonna hook it up to this battery. Give me a second. Just obviously just. Alright. So you see, when this is all hooked up, blower motor is running, so power is not the motor, it's a resistor. We'll go ahead and change that out. Alright, so got the resistor out. It's just 2 bolts, 7/32, and then this clip is also attached to it. You can see it's totally fried. So this is gonna have to get replaced as well. I just bought the part, so I'm gonna just cut these and just pretty much splice them together. I'm not gonna go and follow this whole wire. I'm just gonna cut them here, give me some wire, and replace that. I'll come back when I'm done. Real quick, if you're trying to give yourself more wire, it's gonna be the 14 AWG is the one you're gonna want to use. It doesn't say on the wire, so figure it out. I realize the way that I'm doing this isn't the best way. It's just what's convenient for me. I totally solder these if I could, but I can't. I live in an apartment. I don't have super long extension cords to go from my house to out here, so I'm just doing what I can, working with what I got. Alright, so I got everything spliced. Like I said, it's not the best way to do it. I'd totally solder it if I could. But before we pull everything back in, we're going to make sure everything's good. We got everything hooked up. And if we turn on the blowers, we got our fan blower back. So I'm going to bolt everything back in and test it again.